Hi, it's Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm going to take you on a little bit of a tour of our latest project in the pool house. Now, when designing this space, the focal point of this whole entire pool house was this bar. So we needed something pretty spectacular, something special, and with this detailing that we've got, which we've created that beautiful curve in, we wanted something that shone a little bit and had that little bit of sparkle to it, that movement of light. And that's where the Dulux Design Pearl Effect paint came into play. It's the absolute star of the show here. And the color we chose was Gardenia Frost, and it just unbelievably works perfect with our stone color. You can see, I don't feel like you could get a better colored paint than that one for the stone. And even the stone has that feeling of those little pearl kind of movement lines through it. Now, the bar is definitely the focal point of this whole entire pool area, but what we needed was, we've obviously got that height and then we've got that blank wall behind, and it was screaming for a little bit of color, but nothing too in your face. We wanted it to be subdued. We wanted it to be watery, sea-like, under the ocean. Be still my beating heart, that is my favorite print. Now, we've got this day bed area, which is magnificent, but the reason that we designed this day bed like this was we wanted a space where people could kick back, have a drink, you throw open that gas strut window, someone's sitting on the other side of the bar, and you can look at that beautiful view. It wouldn't be a pool house without guest accommodation, and this one was just really simple, really relaxed. Beautiful view out to the window. Once you've had a couple of drinks on the day bed, you can come and have a sleep. Probably one of the favorite rooms for the kids is this room in the pool house. As a child, who wouldn't love it? It has Xbox and it's pretty cool with its wallpaper. But we actually went a different color on the walls here. So you can see here, it's a lot warmer, a lot creamier. It's a beautiful color. It's called Poo Poo Springs by Dulux. The bathroom in the pool house is perfect for when the kids are in the pool. They don't have to run in the house, they can run in here. And it's also a great bathroom for when guests stay. Now, I have to say that one of my favorite features of this whole entire pool house is the bar. I can't go past it, and we couldn't achieve this look without the Dulux Design Pearl Effect paint. The Dulux Effects range has everything from the pearl effect that we've used here to stone, to metallic, to chalk, and loads more. Head on over to their website and check out all of their colours. La, la, la.